Hey everybody, I'm here at a little doggy place. By the way, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new, great. Welcome. So yeah, I am definitely in doggy heaven right now. And I'm going to show you some of the great items they have here. And I'm going to add in some pictures with their information. This is a part of the DogLife series. So enjoy. Very cute. House is not a home without a dog. Isn't that the truth? I like that one. If I can't bring my dog, I'm not going. Oh yeah, that's me. That one's really cute. I like that one too. Alright, they got bandanas. They've got little suits. Well, not so little. Got some toys. Ooh, beach dog. Ooh, I like all the leashes. Oh, they got doggy socks. Isn't that cute? Okay, y'all know I have a corgi. Ah. For the spoiled dog. Lovey, darling. I like this one. I like this one. Oh, it shines. Very cute. Oh look, they've got Santa outfits for little doggies. Okay. Very cute. I guarantee you they're better prices than PetSmart. Alright, let's see what else they got. They've got pet jerseys. They've got big sweaters. See, now this one I thought about for Ginger. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. What does that say? 22, 22, or 27? Oh, look at that. Those are so cute. They even have service dog vests. Nice. Hey, they got a jogger's leash too. I wonder about the service dog. Huh. That's not a bad price. They're all the same price. It doesn't matter what size. Oh, I like that leash. It's like a braid. Very big. Okay, so if you guys want any other information, let me know. Let me know. I have the card on file, and I also have the card as a picture inside this video. Look at this. Isn't this cute? It's like a little biker's outfit. That is so cute. I give free kisses. Aww. I guess that it would be for a tiny dog. But anyways, this is the boss. I wish they made that big enough. But these are for either little dogs or cats. I'm not too sure. I'm not really sure. Let's see. No. Extra small. Only $4.99. Like I said, it's better to shop from a small shop than it is from the big chains. Oh look, they even have one for camo for camping. Oh, that's adorable. I like this license plate. Hey. All right. On to more.
Hi, that is for you. It's a discount for buying in the store online. Thank you for coming to the store. And here you have a t-shirt. It's a gift for you.
Thank you.
It's a thank you for stopping in the store.
Oh, thank you so much.
And give me one more. Let me bring something more for you.
Look at that. They gave me a present. Oh, Ginger's going to love that.
Tag me in my page, DogLife, Instagram.
Yep.
I'm going to appreciate it if you tag me.
Yes. Yes.
I'm coming with your dog here to see one day.
I will.
Yeah.
Thank you
I'll
so
take one
much.
picture here, please.
Thank you. Well, that was a very nice visit there at that shop. I'm going to show you what they kindly gave me as a gift for viewing their store and coming to it to be a first-timer. It is shop online at Dog Lovers. It is www.doggolovers.com. And when you shop online, for your first visit, you get 20% off. 20% off. So I think that's really cute. It's a nice bookmark on the back. Anyway, so I really enjoyed my visit there, and they gave me a dog coffee cup with a stuffed animal inside for Ginger. I thought that was really cute. So they probably sell these too, but this was a gift for me, so Merry Christmas. And then, I don't know if I got it in my video, but they did, I was going to buy this. This was one of the $5 shirts. But they gifted me this. And I wanted to thank them very much, so thank you. If you're watching, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And they do know that I am going to be bringing Ginger in to the store. And I will be wearing my shirt. Yes. Some are cotton and some are polyester. That one right there is cotton. So I am so happy. Thank you, guys. So yeah, definitely look them up. I'm telling you, they're such a cute, it's a cute shop, and it's a very, very nice couple. I like them a lot. They've only been open, they said, for about 4 months. But man, they make such a big difference. They really do. So again, thank you so much. I had a great day today. I did a drone video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was just a little downtime, a little fun for me. And I will be practicing some more, and I will be taking some more videos. So thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. And like I said, please comment below. Please click thumbs up. Click and thumbs up on my video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do, because it is going to be a very interesting month. And I cannot wait to do some more. I'm also looking forward to my New Year's resolution little series that I'm going to be doing. I've already got it down on paper. I just have to find the time to actually roll some footage for you guys to watch and to participate. And hopefully I can do it live on my laptop. So I'm going to go. It's dinner time. So you guys have a good night. Ciao for now.